Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedging Lee with a morning update for Bitcoin. I've got something interesting I want to share with you. So I was looking for patterns and I found fractals. So you're going to see these green boxes. Let me take you through it. The large green box has a head and shoulders, and inside it is a white box with a small head and shoulders. Here's a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Now in this green box, you also again have a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and inside a small box, a white one. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Price declined. We are seeing another head and shoulders right here. Head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. You can call this the Papa Mama Baby. And it fits well into this declining wedge pattern as well. If we zoom into this by going into 1 hour chart, so we can see the wave details a lot better, we can see the following. There's a shoulder, head, shoulder. And everything in a triangle moves as ABC. So here's an ABC. If we sublabel this as A, B, C, and we know that this is probably a zigzag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and C always has 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and may overshoot a little bit. And if that's the case, and this is the D and the E wave, then we have 5 of C of E. And that's what will bring us to at around 85, 8,700, 8,600. If the current trajectory holds. So if this current trajectory holds, we'll go in this range, likely. In the range of somewhere in the 8,000. Now this trajectory can change to the right. Maybe 7, it depends. But at the current trajectory, there may be a brief piercing of this to get rid of the sellers and rise right back up. And that would provide what I call the bullwhip scenario. Now, if I go back to the daily chart, the fractals line up very nicely. It's like a gateway with a smaller door or a gateway inside. Now this white zone is the zone where there are major supports. And it intersects right where the apex is. And that apex is intersecting exactly where, pretty much close to where that support is. The other thing I want to show is back to this MACD. Even with the MACD, you can apply Elliott waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can apply Elliott waves to anything. The reason is because of Fibonacci. Fibonacci plays significant roles. And if I can count a wave 1 as extended, then usually 3, 4, and 5 is about 0.78 of 1. So if I draw a vertical line, voila, 0.78%, I'd say. Pretty close. Everything is ruled by Fibonacci. So what does this mean? I believe the bottom is near. I believe we're almost done with this correction. And I believe that, bring this back to blue, change this color to yellow. Good. Once we are done with the wave 5 of the MACD, we could be at around 1200, minus 1200 in the MACD indication. Minus 1221. So I have an announcement to make here. In early February, I will be holding a beginner level group coaching and an advanced level group coaching. The first group coaching session that we had last Saturday went really well attended. There were so many questions I could barely get through those questions, even though we gave another half an hour. We made it into a 2-hour session. But I think if we can then segregate it into a beginner level and advanced level coaching, it'll enable people to match their level and questions at the same time. Also, the videos from the first session will be posted. And as always, one-on-one coaching is available because, nothing beats an undivided attention from a coach. You will have probably 3 stages of learning. The first must become proficiency in Elliott wave counting. And that takes practice and repetitious practicing. And I can take you through every pitfall, every nuance, every conditional, every situational that I am aware of to help you bring you to that proficiency of Elliott wave counting. Then, second level is chart pattern recognition. That has to be combined with Elliott waves. And then after that, the third level involves future price pathway forecasting. You can learn all of those through the group coaching or through one-on-one coaching, whatever fits your timing and your stage the best. By the way, the videos for download are available only through the username, password, and the link that was sent to you. And by downloading this, you agree to a disclaimer that you will neither sell, share, or post these videos in any other social media networks. It just wouldn't be right to do that. All right. I hope this has been helpful for you. If there's a need for maybe a midday update on Bitcoin, I'll definitely get back to you. Have a great day.